Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make haggis bonbons. First, ensure you have quality haggis, approximately 500 grams, ready to be formed. Next, prepare your breading station with seasoned flour, a beaten egg, and crispy panko breadcrumbs. Heating your frying oil to 175 degrees Celsius is crucial for that perfect golden crisp. This initial setup ensures a smooth and delicious cooking process. Now let's get hands-on. Take small portions of haggis and roll them into neat, uniform balls, roughly 2.5 centimeters in diameter. Next, carefully dredge each ball through the flour, ensuring full coverage. Dip it into the beaten egg, letting any excess drip off, then roll it generously in the breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs firmly to create a robust and even coating, preventing any haggis from escaping during frying. It's time for the magic. Carefully place your breaded haggis bonbons into the preheated oil. Fry them in batches for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are heated through. Once cooked, remove them and let them drain on a wire rack or paper towels to remove any excess oil. Serve these delightful treats immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a rich whiskey cream. For best results, try chilling your haggis balls for at least 30 minutes before breading. This makes them much easier to handle and shape. If you prefer a lighter option, air frying is a fantastic alternative to deep frying, offering a similar crispness with less oil. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These bonbons are perfect as an appetizer or a unique snack. Enjoy your homemade haggis bonbons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.